Right, your story is from a year ago. Look back on these moments from your story archive. Add a donate button. Yeah? Add no donate button, them a thief. Since the murder fuckers at Facebook need clarifications from Merville Ratty Nemhard about the GDPR 2018 training, I don't think I have to go on. I'm just mentioning some of my Facebook pages. Merville Consultancy Facebook. Memories are Eminem Hard intellectual property. Yes, this have to be documented. Yes, there is a whatever. I don't know what me write there. Like, comment, and share at most. Yes, affected by cancer. So I'm not reading the rest. It's my Facebook pages I'm talking about. I need to get my brother, Merville Ratty Nemhard, would like to bring to the attention of the press and his administrator of Froome High School that Irvin Nemhard wife, who was a teacher, is in the hospital, and some of the concerns of ... Merville Ratty Nemhard is finding my purpose breaking down barriers. Now for leave, the terror cells at House of Commons and BIB. Irvin Nemhard and the family are the ones uppermost in Merville Ratty Nemhard thoughts. Am I not sorry for my little brother who brainwashed him? Merville Ratty Nemhard is ready for action in 2020. My two husbands. Merville Ratty Nemhard would like to extend my GDPR training to the administrators of the press from Froome, Westmoreland, Jamaica. Don't need to read the rest. So, UK government, the Windrush, 70 did not stop when Merville Ratty Nemhard knocked Theresa May off page 1 of ITV News in 2018, June 22nd at Westminster Abbey. And if you want to know what I'm talking about, here it is. If you want to know what I'm talking about, more clarification. Yeah. So I said I'm making them short. So it's my two husbands, right? Right, let's see where I reach. Merville Ratty Nemhard will inform the terrorists at Facebook that they are in breach of the GDPR 2018 in line with another of my page. Merville Ratty Nemhard wrote about Townhead and adjacent district of Westmoreland, Jamaica, of my Jamaica, before. So this is where it says Westmoreland people seek peace. That's why I'm going to put it in the church service today. So who want this? Let me read it. So who want this? So blood seed. So who want disown Eminem Hard family and remove my mental health network and affected by cancer, like Janet B. Pot and family and friends group from Froome School and any groups from Townhead and ... Lavina Brown, are you may a chat? Merville Ratty Nemhard say, any man want it, them have to pay down pay down pony. Merville Ratty Nemhard want money claim government to get my money. Maybe Samantha Jones might have turned to the oldest trick. Women used to make money. Her pussy I go in for some fucks. Merville Ratty Nemhard will remind the Facebook haters and trolls that Eminem Hard family will forgive but not forget. Can somebody remind my brother Irvin who his sister is? Yes, that Irvin there.